117. Are you clear on the fire department traffic?
Quick question. I've got a male adult on a Power Wheels. I stopped him driving down 2nd Street. No lights on or nothing like that. What's my grounds if I get any impairment off of him? Yeah, it's a battery powered. I mean, it's a battery powered Jeep. No, it's not the pink one. It's just like that, but it's blue. Hey, John Albert McKee.
3523.
The passing lane of westbound Avenue.
As I wasn't sure, I wanted to make sure before I went any further with it.
3523.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know nowadays, so let me check. So. Yep. So. Alright. Thanks.
What did you find this central?
Yeah, but they've got 11 person myself, I'll be out this Friday.
3511.
Afternoon. You got a license on you, bud?
No,
You have no license, anything, ID on you?
I got ID.
I see your ID. know you just can't drive these things down the road, right?
I do. I know this.
You do?
I was on the sidewalk. I ran out of sidewalk.
Okay. So where you headed to with it?
My home.
Your home?
Yes.
See, well, there's no lights. They said they're not meant for road. So.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where you come from tonight?
Hucks.
Hucks? Just Hucks. Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting gas. Enough of this.
Where's your gas can at?
Oh, man. I lost it back there. Can I park this off the side and go get it?
Not right now. Just wait here a second, okay?
Oh, I know. I'm just...
You stand up out of there for a second real quick, bud?
Yep.
You have any knives on you, anything like that?
Yeah, I do.
Let me take it off, throw it in the Jeep for me real quick. Yeah, any drink or anything tonight?
Yes, sir.
No, not at all? Okay. I'm gonna do a couple checks, make sure you're okay real quick, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's step up over here real quick, okay? Yeah, the big 511, press my style, buddy, out, filter ready. All right, wear glasses or contacts, anything? All right, keep feet together, hands on your side. Eyes, can you follow the tip of my finger, okay? Eyes only. Eyes only.
In the bag.
There you go, that's like, you got any knee injuries back or anything? Anything to prevent you from walking normal?
I've got back problems. I've had 3 heart attacks.
Okay.
I'm slow learner.
Okay. I was making sure. You taking any kind of medications or anything like that today? Yeah. What kind of stuff?
Heart pills.
Do what?
Heart pills?
Heart pills? Nothing? Any kind of narcotics? Anything like that? Nothing? Nope. Okay. All right. When I have you go place both feet side by side, when I tell you to, you're going to tilt your head back, keep your eyes closed. You're going to estimate in your head. So estimate the passage of 30 seconds in your head. Once you feel like 30 seconds has passed, bring your head forward and open your eyes, okay?
Okay.
All right. So whenever you're ready, okay? All right. Are you able to stand on one leg? I don't know what your back injuries are. Okay. All right. You able to take a couple steps for me?
Yeah.
Okay. So go and turn, face towards me, okay? All right. We're going to stand in a straight line in front of you. Go and place your right foot out in front. Place your left foot behind your right foot, heel to toe, okay? Again, keep your hands on your side. Don't move until I tell you to, and do not start until I tell you to. Do you understand? When I tell you to, you take a series of 9 heel to toe steps forward. Counting step out loud. Be sure to touch heel to toe. Once you get to 9, you'll leave your front foot planted and do a turnaround, which I'm going to demonstrate, okay? And take 9 back. So again, you're going to be on line. So 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth till you get to 9. Once you get to 9, front foot planted, small steps around, 9 heel toe steps back, okay? All right, whenever you're ready, okay?
I never could have been that. I felt that one.
Okay. All right. Don't place both feet side by side. Again, don't move until I tell you to, not start until I tell you to. When I tell you to, either foot, right or left foot, you're going to raise that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. Point your toe. You're going to look down at your toe and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop.
Go down, right?
So you're going to look it out, pointing your toe forward. Don't start yet. Hands to your side, and you're going to count out loud while looking at your toe. 1001, 1002, 1003, and 1004, okay? All right. Yep, looking down at your toe. Keep your legs straight. Okay?
Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008.
Okay. Alright, relax. So you have seat back energy here for a second, okay? Now I'm gonna read you something real quick, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is what's called the Indiana Implied Consent Law. You heard it before? Okay. This is what it says. I have probable cause if you believe you've operated a vehicle while intoxicated. Say, must now offer you opportunity to submit to a chemical test and inform you that your refusal to submit to a chemical test will result in suspension of your driving privileges for 1 year. If you have at least one previous conviction for operating while intoxicated, your refusal to submit to a chemical test will result in suspension of your driving privileges for 2 years. The chemical test will be going down getting blood draw from the hospital, okay?
No.
You want to take it? Okay.
I got to shoot my sister.
Okay, well stand up for me. You're being placed under arrest. I'll get a warrant.
Okay,
What
okay, I'll just take
You take the test?
Yes, yes.
Okay, well I still got to handcuff you to take the test, okay?
Okay. I mean,
Do what?
all my stuff is like 2 right there is mine.
That what? So, okay, I'll grab it. Hang on a second. That was a 3511, 51 J3, signal 42. You start me at 1051. Power wheels.
All that's the thing. Power wheel.
Still can't drive them on the road, man.
I mean, what you see I'm riding most of the way out on the grass.
I passed you on the road, okay?
I know that. I get on the grass and get on the sidewalk.
Yeah, try to get someone out of Vincennes. Got anything else on you? Narcotics, nothing else on you? No. Do what?
I got that pen.
Do what?
That pen you just took.
Uh-huh.
But you asked me if I had anything else on me. I said no, you didn't take that off.
Step over here real quick. Step out in front of the car. I'll pick up that drill bit, okay?
Yeah.
Turn around. Comfortable or do you want to sit on the curb?
Gas check down there. Down that way too somewhere. Lost it. That's not too bad. That seat comes back too.
See that?
Can I check that battery off?
Yeah, let me grab it back real quick. Say, would you at the hospital let another guy take another couple tests, make sure you're good?
Again?
Would you allow another guy at the hospital to do another couple tests like that just to make sure you're good? It's just a little bit more in depth of testing. Well, I'll get a blood draw, but the guy does another couple tests, some eye tests and that like that. Would you be okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. 4011. He will take it. VRE.
I'm not going to be in the rest of all that.
If we pass everything, we'll be good to go and we'll get you back. Correct.
What about my gas, sir?
We'll go back. I'll get the tow truck.
Like I said, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind going that long. You might pass me some people. My house, your house, and I read my back home.
Yeah. Okay. So he's going to do a DRE too, so. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, thanks.
Just call my wife.
We'll get to that here in a little bit, okay? Let's make sure we get everything done first, okay? So you just have 1, 2, 6 batteries. Well, batteries, man.
My phone's everything
Your phone's up here too, or where at?
alongside there. Plugged on. Sorry?
Yep. Good.
You got big battery up there? You got big battery?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not there anymore.
Let me just make sure I didn't go grab it in the bag, okay?
Alright.
I have a seat in my car here, okay? Alright, guys, sit back here.
Give me a citation or something?
I said, I'm just giving you a warning for not having any lights on it, okay?
I mean, for me.
Huh?
What about for me? I want to go home, man.